I have no idea what this is. What's up, guys? Today we're out in Estero Bay. Got some good intel that redfish bite has been pretty good. So we're out here. Got a couple of blow-ups from tarpon, some coming out of completely out of the water right behind the boat and stuff. So it's been a pretty eventful morning. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. And that little bell, it'll give you notifications every time I upload a video. But yeah, stay tuned in. Get at you with the action. Tide's definitely going out now. What is it? What is it? It's a redfish! Redfish on topwater, baby! Yee! Oh, he got my waders. He got my waders. Little redfish right there, though. On the topwater. Hope it came out cool. Awesome. Freaking awesome, dude. He slammed it, too. Oh! Oh my! Oh my gosh! That was a tarpon. That was a tarpon. Oh my gosh. Got a red. Got a nice red. Oh, maybe get your ass in the boat. Nice. Nice. Not the tarpon we wanted, but nice. Second red on, well, third ever red on topwater. Second red today on topwater. Nice little golden guy right here. No tags. Make sure he's not hiding one underneath his fin. No, he ain't a monster, but he's a pretty fish. I have no idea what this is. Might be a shark. No, it's a big old jack. Big old jack. Big old jack. Big old jack. Come on, buddy. Don't take my rod in the water, you. He's a fit. fished him though, that was pretty cool. He's like right in the corner of the mountain on the last hook. Alright, come on, dog. Damn, that's a big jack, dude. That's one of the biggest jacks I've ever caught out here. Hell yeah, dude. That's shark bait right there. Check this out, guys. He almost got me. He's got two of them just all the way bent out. Yeah. Nice big old jack right there, guys. Big old jack right there. Fun fight. You guys tell me in the comments what you guys think that is. You guys think that's a little baby sheep's head? Toss him back. Whee! We made it. All right. So it just rained on us. It just rained on us. So yeah, we're gonna fish before this stuff over here gets to us. But we're gonna have to haul butt after this little spot right here. We're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully we can catch one more red. Right before I had to leave this spot, I saw a bunch of redfish right on this bank. So I'm hoping they're still here and that we can get one in the boat. Finally. Nice little red. Nice little red. Nice little guy. Little guy right there. That's like the size of the day right there, is these guys right here. All right, guys, we're gonna end it off there. We gotta try to get back to the ramp before that hits us. So luckily we caught one more redfish after the rain. So thumbs up on that one. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.